Now we will learn about ventral respiratory group and how ventral respiratory group is related to forced respiration. We have already learned that dorsal respiratory group drives normal inspiration. But now we should learn that ventral respiratory group participates in forced inspiration and forced expiration, such as during exercise. So it is clear to us that ventral respiratory group is related to forced respiration, that is forced inspiration and forced expiration. Ventral respiratory group is a collection of respiratory neurons which are located in the ventrolateral part of medulla oblongata. Ventral respiratory group contains both inspiratory as well as expiratory neurons. In case of forced inspiration, the inspiratory neurons of ventral respiratory group sends excitatory signals down the spinal cord to motor neurons, supplying mainly diaphragm and external intercostal muscle. This produces stronger contraction of the diaphragm and external intercostal muscle, resulting in forced inspiration. Just for your knowledge, you can note that signals are supplied to diaphragm via phrenic nerves and to the external intercostal muscles via thoracic spinal nerves. Now, on the other hand, in case of forced expiration, the expiratory neurons of the ventral respiratory groups activates expiratory muscles in addition to abdominal muscles, resulting in stronger relaxation of the diaphragm and intercostal muscle, especially internal intercostal muscle, resulting in forced expiration. It is to be noted that ventral respiratory group does not directly contract the muscle. It only activates the spinal respiratory motor neurons, which then activate the respiratory muscles through their peripheral nerves. So it is already clear to us that while dorsal respiratory groups drives normal inspiration, the ventral respiratory groups participates in forced inspiration and forced expiration. That is, it participates in forced respiration, such as during exercise.